Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Campervan navigation. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the color mode that we can select between day, night and auto. Then we can change brightness level of the screen. Change display timeout between 1 minute and never. And then we can enable and disable screenshots. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.